Hey Auto Good fam, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're witnessing the end of an era and the beginning of a new one. For over a decade, the Lamborghini Huracán, with its glorious, naturally aspirated V10 engine, has been the heart of the brand. But now it's time for its replacement. We're talking about the new Lamborghini Temerario, and we're here to answer the burning question: is this the hybrid supercar that's ready to fill the massive shoes of the Huracán? At its core, the Temerario's powertrain is a complete departure from the past. Gone is the iconic V10, in its place is a ferocious twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that screams to a redline of 10,000 RPM on its own. This V8 produces a stunning 789 horsepower. But this is a hybrid, and that's not the full story. The V8 is seamlessly augmented by 3 powerful electric motors, which provide an extra surge of power, bringing the combined total to a mind-blowing 920 horsepower and a robust 538 pound-feet of torque. This is a significant jump over even the most powerful Huracán models. This immense power is sent to all 4 wheels, allowing the Temerario to rocket from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a jaw-dropping 2.7 seconds, with a top speed of 343 kilometers per hour. This new powertrain is not just about raw power. It's about a complete re-engineering of the driving experience. The electric motors provide instant torque, which perfectly fills in the gaps from the twin-turbo V8, giving you razor-sharp throttle response at all times. The Temerario also features an all-wheel drive system with an e-axle at the front and a single electric motor at the rear, which allows for incredibly precise torque vectoring and unparalleled control. This is a car that you can drive in a silent electric-only mode for short distances, but with a flick of a switch, it turns into a ferocious, high-revving supercar that is pure Lamborghini. Visually, the Temerario takes cues from its bigger sibling, the Revuelto, with a more aggressive and modern design. It features a new shark nose front end and a beautiful, sleek silhouette that is all Lamborghini. The rear of the car is dominated by a central exhaust outlet and a massive diffuser, which, along with the active aero, gives it an immense amount of downforce and grip. Inside, the cabin is a luxurious and high-tech sanctuary. It's a completely new interior that is a huge step up from the Huracán, featuring a larger central touchscreen and a driver-focused digital instrument cluster. The cabin is filled with premium materials, including beautiful leather and Alcantara, and it offers a level of comfort and technology that is second to none. When it comes to price, the Lamborghini Temerario is an exclusive vehicle. While specific pricing can vary, it is expected to have a starting price well over $300,000 in the US. This price reflects not only its incredible performance and hybrid technology, but also its bespoke craftsmanship and the exclusivity of the Lamborghini brand. So is the Temerario a worthy replacement for the Huracán? The answer is an unequivocal yes. The secret strength of the Lamborghini Temerario is its uncompromising blend of a high-revving hybrid V8 powertrain and a completely reimagined chassis and design. It's a car that embraces the future of hybrid technology without losing the emotional connection and raw. What are your thoughts on the Lamborghini Temerario? Do you think its hybrid V8 makes it a worthy replacement for the Huracán? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to AutoGood for more on the world's most incredible supercars. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.